Let me show you. OK， 能看得到这上面的数字吗？ OK. Hi. Hello. Yeah. This is our quality. 不行。看见吗？ This is our quality. Okay. And this one is a normal quality. So our slide have around 200 grams. Then normal quality is same length. Hello? 我互动一会儿，我看不见有人进来。Hi. Welcome our new friends. Do you have any question for the slide quality part? If you have any question, you can left me message here. Okay. And for the slide, we also explain another part is the second slide. The second piece slide, the ball bearing. This part, the ball bearing is made of POM material. And why make POM is for the smooth surface, especially after a long time usage. If you made a PP, maybe the surface is not flat, you will, how to say, it's not smooth and not strong, not durable. This is our POM. I want to explain our material like slide, also the plastic part is produced in our own factory by ourselves. So we can guarantee the quality very well, not purchased from other supplier. So we can guarantee a stable and good quality. Hi, trust, hi. Sorry, this is my screen, so maybe the message is more slow than you. Hi, welcome new friends. Hi. This is slide part. Next part is connector. This is zinc alloy connector. Okay, and some material in the market, maybe you get some other connector is iron. But this one is zinc alloy. Well, zinc alloy is for the better capacity, also for the durable. You will see. Okay. This one is a bracket. This is white color bracket. For the color, you can choose white or gray. And plastic cover. For the plastic cover, you can put your brand name here and print your brand name. Also, let me go to. Hi, how are you? Fine. Hi, trust. Let me show you any message here. Okay. After explaining these details, I want to show you the packing. This for the packing. You will find inside each panel, and the slide is protected by this foam EPE bag. So you can protect it well without broken or without out of bend when during the hair delivery. Some you see the panel and the slide, and put one or this part and then with bracket and the screw and the connector in one box, and then 6 boxes one carton. For one container is loaded around 3,500 sets. One set one box, and six sets one carton. And one container can load around 3,500 sets.